Hi everyone, we are now looking at the month of September and how September brings to you a restart button of so much of change and prosperity into your lives. We're looking at the next zodiac sign, and that's for you Tauruses. Now for you Tauruses, from the career perspective, it is like an enjoyable month. It's a great month for you with a lot of recognition, and it's like your seniors, your bosses have all been recognizing your hard work. You are enjoying the fruit of all the hard work, your growth, your promotions, increments, everything is coming your way this month. And from the business perspective as well, there's a lot of prospects of your profits coming in, especially towards the end of the month. So from a career perspective, this is a great month, and you're definitely enjoying the fruits of all the hard work that you have been putting in. Yes, September will even bring you some more hard work towards the end of the month, and remember, there is no shortcuts. So you need to complete all that. You need to complete any kind of projects, any pending tasks which is put on your plate as well this month. So keep your focus going and keep your hard work going. I'm looking at now your finances. From the finances perspective, it does see there's a lot of expenditures happening towards the start of the month. You do have some plannings to do. But yes, towards the second half of the month, your gains, your profits as well start coming in. So it does helps, with the balancing out. So your finances are, fluctuating, but not that bad, very stable for you this month. I'm looking at the next prospects, and that's for your health issues. Now, this month it is important that you take care of the chest region, and it even calls for the stomach region. Now, these two areas are of concern. Do not forget, go ahead and check that, and do not neglect any health issues, and even reduce the amount of stress that you take. So it does look like you've been thinking a lot, taking a lot of stress. Okay, use your energy positively. And from the home front as well, it does look like this month there's a lot of family functions happening as well. Now the first half is when you need to be a little bit more careful, because it does look like you have a lot of family disputes happening, some arguments, misunderstandings in the family front. So you need to watch it for that, be a lot more calmer, because the second half of this month is very auspicious for you. So you need to crack those deals from the second half of this month post the 15th. And it does look like if you have any major family decisions to make, any auspicious occasions coming up, that's the time for you to plan all this post the 15th. And we even see for some of you, there's a new little family member being added to your family. So enjoy the positivity, enjoy all the love and love that is coming your way this month as well. And yes, from a perspective of your remedies, it is important that this month, you go ahead with doing some donations. Give small little gifts to, the girl children, feed the birds and the animals, and go around helping and supporting how much you can and whatever little things that you can do. I would even like to call out that these predictions that I do are very generalized predictions based upon your zodiac signs. If you are looking for a lot more support and you're looking for detailed descriptions, you can get in touch with me directly. Thank you all so much for being a part of Avenues. I'm Sharon S. Manuja with Avenues, and if you're new to my family, do not forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and let us all stay connected for so much more in store.